comes the shark. You see the shark down there?
Yeah.
There's a sand tiger shark, gray reef shark. You see the black one down there?
Yeah.
That's not the shark. It's not the stingray.
Okay.
There's another type of fish which is called guitar. Do you see the shape?
Ah, guitar.
Guitar fish, the bow-mouthed guitar. How about the brown one? Another type of guitar fish down here. The shovel nose guitar. Guitar fish. Yeah. So anyway, if we're talking about shark, their natural behavior, if they're hungry, they eat the other fish. Okay? Fish eat fish. Yeah?
Yeah.
So what we are doing here, so that they will not eat each other, actually our divers will go inside and give them food. We feed them. So that in that way, they're always full, no need to eat the others. Okay?